Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the upload of new orders from Ecwid to the Telnyx SMS service. This is necessary in order to automatically send SMS notifications through the Telnyx service for each new order from Ecwid. Now let's move on to setting. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get orders, new. Then you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the login and password of the Ecwid personal account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Ecwid system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this point you see one of the Ecwid orders. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Ecwid data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select Telnyx as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send SMS. At this stage you need to connect your Telnyx account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the API key. To get it, go to your Telnyx personal account. Then go to the API keys section. If you have not yet created an API key, click Create API Key. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this point you see Telnyx fields to send SMS message. First you need to specify the sender's phone number. You must first register it in your Telnyx account. Registered numbers in the Numbers section. Next, you need to specify a variable from Ecwid in the recipient field, which contains the phone number of the user who made the order. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Now you can compose the text of an SMS message that will be sent to all users who have placed an order on Ecwid. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also manually enter values. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Telnyx for SMS mailings to users who have placed an order for Ecwid. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Telnyx. After successful sending, go to Telnyx and check the result. In order to make sure that the SMS message was sent, go to the Reporting section. Now you need to create a new report. After that, download and open the report. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. This completes Telnyx data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.